Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and those who are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Well guys, it's been like so many days since I haven't made any non-veg videos, and from yesterday I was thinking that I should make some non-veg videos. So well, I'm here with another non-veg videos, and today I'm going to make something special. Let me show you what I'm going to make. Yeah, I'm going to make this. This is kidney, buffalo laga kidney as the buff laga. Oh, it's too heavy. Full hard kidney je. It is pura hard as a. So the buffalo laga hard as a. This is kidney. So the apang la mangso as a. So aji we are going to make apang laga heart and kidney. So guys, let's start our cooking. So first of all, we will cut this kidney. Sop no bunabo. Half rakhibo. Aru kali bunai na khabo. Ito moi Gurgaon na Sadar Bazaar re kinina anise. To apni ani Gurgaon ti thaki ase bole to Sadar Bazaar re jai na kinibo pare. Tade Sadar Bazaar re masjid la osore tade buffalo la masu bishi bai. And you can eat from there also. Naan roti bai. Naan roti bi khabo pare. Aro mangso bi khabo pare. Aro mangso bi kinina anibo pare. So ito kidney to kati luji moi. Hard to iman damura se kut prashuro hu najne chalo idi bela na katibo to half I will keep, and I'm going to make this half. Sabi to tel do man bishi ase. Pura tel do sabi heart to pura cover kori dishe. So we should also be careful. Moala moon bi niga ho bishi mosto hoye bole. To bishi mosto no bi. Ito tel pura sabi heart to pura cover kori dishe. You can add this also, but I'm just removing it. With the fry gruble like tail gandu, I'm just removing the fats because I'm going to fry it. Bamboo chutti bunai chile to tail do niplai libe hoi jabo to noy. Already my fry gruble ase na idu nimde tail bishi hoi jabo, oily hoi jabo bishi. Idu ane moi oil do remove kori dishe. Itu be log pai she hali dibo dibe. Itu to clean gram bishi tok pai. Phal bra sapa grow lagi mo. Clean grow lagi, goram pani diye boil grow lagi. Aru itu la chamra gan su bolamo lagi. Oh my god. Khaboli to man bhal holi bi clean grow dan de. Oh 2-3 hours lagi jai to saaf kora dan de. Chalo, now we are going to fry this. Chalo, now we will heat the oil. Okay guys, tel to garam hoise, to ija moi ilachi dhalibo like 4 or 5 piece. Long bi 4 or 5 piece. We will add some cinnamon. We will add bay leaves. Now we will add this ginger garlic paste. After 1 minute, you can add the green chilies. See, chal bunai lo. Green chilies so 15 now. So after 1 minute of frying the green chilies, we will add these onions. 2 medium-sized onions. Piaz to brown color now we are going to add some turmeric powder. We will add this meat masala. Then we have this jeera powder, dhania powder, just little bit of black pepper powder. Now you can mix it nicely. Now we are going to add some Kashmiri mirch powder. This Kashmiri mirch powder will give you a very good color. And lastly, we will be adding some garam masala. Now we are going to add these innards. After adding this, we can mix nicely. We will add salt. Keep it in a medium flame. You can cover it and occasionally you can stir it. Sabi pani moi olupi dhala na ita rope. Kai nijor dala mangsula pani do olai na ita bhal ra cook hoye jay. So now we will not add water. After some time we will add. $15 minutes na hoje do pakai na. Already sabi to. Pani do hala na already. Ito mangsula pani do bai nito ra pakai na. Chalo aro 5 minutes na pakabo ito bijde. Gorom pani halina aro cook koribo. To itia mujan pani olop thalibo aro. Use warm water only. Don't use cold water. So ido medium flame de cook koribi and like 20 to 30 minutes we will cook this. Oh wow, man bhalo paki ase. Can't wait to have dinner today. Chili paki bhi. Chalo, mangso to bhalo pakche. Almost like half an hour we cook korichilo. So fully dry no koribo. Olo gravy ha rakhibo. So last day like all of meat masala sprinkle kori dibo. Aro idu kasuri methi ase. Idu kasuri methi bhi alo khali dibo. Kasuri methi hala bijde एक बार हिलाई दिलो. जो होशिदे आजिको. जो finally सब्जी तो बना खत्म होइसे. थोआ भी ओले जे. सबले तो बिशी टेस्ट निशना आसे. चलो टेस्ट कर जाबो. आया Man bhal de. Ha. Bishi tasty. Man bhal aje. Ay. Aaj to nichor pra ekdom proud feel kore aje. Nichor ba nichor ki press korobo. Holibi osa bishi tasty. Solid আছে একদম ঝাকাস আছে আজি তো ভাত বেশি খাবলে আছে হাজবেন্ড গিভি নি দিনা খতম করে দিও নাকি লাইক 20 মিনিটস নিনা তো মাংস বাদানি যে পানি ওলাইছে না ইদুরা বুনাইছে 20 মিনিটস নিনা আর পানি হালি না like nearly 30 minutes jina cook kurisha so all together like 50 minutes jina cook kurishe apni an man diri rukhibo na pare na buna bole mun jane gole do like apni an pressure cooker di bunabo pare pressure cooker juldi hoi jaye hole bi like pressure cooker la di buna laga taste to aro open vessel di buna la taste to it's quite different you know apni an kijabe observe kurina korne so aji to like open vessel de buna laga taste to khawlum deje well guys this is too good and it's so tasty are jo remaining bachinas na so that remaining meat I will make it in bamboo shoot I will make it video also so this is too good and I'm going to enjoy a lot so guys if you like watching this video please don't forget to subscribe my channel give a thumbs up and also hit the notification icon so whenever I'm uploading a new video you will get a notification thank you once again guys see you in the next video bye bye tata